So three kinds of sandhis are there: the Sarveshwara sandhis, the Vishnu Jana sandhis, and the Vishnu Sarga sandhis. So the vowels, the Sarveshwara sandhis we had done, completed the last time. Now beginning with the Vishnu Jana sandhis. So the last section, the Sarveshwara sandhis, dealt with change in the vowels. If you see, we were working with the vowels, right? The Sarveshwaras. Now we'll work with the consonants, the Vishnu Janas. So the very first sutra. Okay, any doubt from the Sarveshwara Sandhi part? Like any sutra, any example which you're not able to grasp, understand? Then you can bring on, otherwise we'll go ahead. Vishnu Jana Sandhi, Sutra 61. Vishnu Daso Vishnu Padante Hari Ghoshe Cha Harigada. Sutra 61 says, a Vishnu Dasa. What's a Vishnu Dasa? If you still remember. A Vishnu Dasa is
Hari Kamala, Hari Kadga, Hari Gosha, Hari Gada, Hari Gosha. These four.
these, yeah, Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, Hari Gada, and Hari Ghosha. So the four of them, the groups, they are Vishnu Dasas together, right? So a Vishnu Dasa at the end of a Vishnu Pada. A Vishnu Pada I had told the last class, the final word, when the final declined form is called a Vishnu Pada. So for example, a Vishnu Dasa at the end of a Vishnu Pada becomes a Hari Gada. So if we have a word which is a Vishnu Pada, and at the end of which we have a Vishnu Dasa, right? Then the Vishnu Dasa there becomes Harigada. Harigada is the third column, right? Ga, ja, da, the, ba. So it becomes Harigada of its own Varga. For example, Vak Achyutasya. Vak Achyutasya. Now Vak is a proper word, is a word. It's a Vishnu Pada. And now at the end of this word Vak, we have this Ka Rama, right? Now my question to you is Ka Rama a Vishnu Dasa or not?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So now this Vishnu Dasa will become Harigada. Harigada of its own Varga. So this Ka Rama belongs to Ka Varga, right? Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. So what is the Harigada of Ka Varga? That's the letter Ga.
Garama.
So thus it becomes Vag, and then the following one remains as it is. Tasya. So it becomes Vag Achyutasya. Okay. More examples are Bhagavat plus Gita, right? Bhagavat Gita. So the word Bhagavat is the Rama a Vishnu Dasa?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is. So this Vishnu Dasa becomes Harigada of its own Varga. So what will be the Harigada for the
Rama.
the Rama? The tha. So it would become Bhagavad and then Gita. Right? Bhagavad Gita. This is a very common Sandhi. More examples are here. Vak Govindasya becomes Vak Govindasya. Then Shat Gopika. So here is the Rama a Vishnu Dasa?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Thus, ta becomes Harigada. What is Harigada for ta?
Rama.
Ta. becomes Shad Gopikaha. Even Shad Goswami is made in the same way. It's actually Shat and Goswami. So ta becomes does. That becomes Shad. It's not sad Goswami. So Shad Goswami. Just a quick, like, in Bhagavad Gita in Sanskrit, the sages, the saints, they are called Santah, right? Like Santah, the sages.
Yes.
We all know that. So one time what happened, I heard it from, I believe, one of like Srila Prabhupada's disciple. So he was sharing that once there was few devotees who were like distributing books in some country, secular kind of country. So while they were distributing, so some cops, police officers, they came up and they were like, what are these books about? You are spreading, propagating a particular religion, this, that. Uh, kind of started harassing them, the devotees. So then suddenly one devotee said, no, no, no. So those cops were saying you're propagating Hinduism and this is not the right place. We can't accept this, like only one religion. So the devotee said, no, 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 it talks of all the religions. It even talks of Christianity. And then the cops were like, really? Can you show some reference? And the devotee was like, yes, yes. Uh, and then the cop was like, okay, show me, show me. Then suddenly, the devotee was uh, very scared and very, he was like, oh, I have said that it is referring to, but where it is referring to. So he just took Krishna's name and, he suddenly just opened any random page of Gita. And suddenly this verse came up there on that page, Santaha, something, something. And then the devotee went like, hey, see, here you have the name of Santa. You have Santa, right? So, and they were saved. Anyhow, listen. Yes. So that was 61. There is another part of 61 Sutra that will actually be explained when we come to the next chapter. Yes. So this is understood, right? More examples are here. Bhagavad Gita, Kakub Vishnu, we can do one example. Kakub Vishnu. So here Kakub is there. So my question to you is Bharama a Vishnu Dasa?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So Bha turns into Harigada. Now, what is Harigada for Bha?
Barama.
Baram. Ba. So it becomes
Barama.
Barama. So Kakub Vishnu. Yeah, Kakub Vishnu. So like that was 61 Sutra. Very common Sandhi, this 61 Sutra. Vishnu Dasa Vishnu Padante Hari Khoshe Cha Harigada. Then Sutra 62. Hari Venu, Hari Venur Va. A Vishnu Dasa at the end of a Vishnu Pada. Now suppose if we have a word ending with a Vishnu Dasa and if a Hari Venu is following, what's a Hari Venu?
Harivenu is the last.
Nasal.
Yeah, the nasal sounds, the last ones. No, 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 no. So if we have a Vishnu Dasa followed by any Hari Venu Shabda, any Hari Venu letter, then what will happen is then that Vishnu Dasa optionally becomes a Hari Venu when a Hari Venu follows. So this Vishnu Dasa becomes optionally becomes a Hari Venu. For example, Jagat Natha. So if you see here, we have this word ending with a Vishnu Dasa, right? This is a Vishnu Dasa, Tarama. and we have a Hari Venu following. So this Tarama becomes a Hari Venu optionally. So it will become Hari Venu of its own Varga. So what is the Hari Venu for Ta Varga?
No.
No.
The Na. So it will become Jagannath. And when it doesn't become a Hari Venu, so optionally means once it becomes and once it doesn't become. So when it becomes, then the Ta turns into Na. And when this rule is not applied, then we apply the previous rule. So then there Ta will become the Harigada. So that will be, Ta will become what?
Jagad.
The. So out of these two, either of them can be used. Jagannatha is also correct, and Jagadnatha also correct. Although, however, nowadays this version is used a lot when the Hari Venu is done. The change to Hari Venu is done. Okay. Then in Bhagavad Gita there is one verse, Tanme Kshemataram Bhaved, right? One last verse, or the second last verse of first chapter. So Tat me. So again, Ta is a Vishnudasa and a Hari Venu following. So this Vishnudasa optionally becomes a Hari Venu. It optionally becomes a Hari Venu. So it means Tatha Dadhana. Tanme or Ta becomes Harigada as per the previous rule. Tadme. Both are correct. Any other example anyone could recall of for this one, for this Sandhi? Any shloka, anything?
Tanmatra.
Yeah, very nice. Tat, Matra. Matra or Matra? I think the long R, right? Yeah, so there, Tarama, Vishnudasa, and Ma Harivenu. So Vishnudasa turns into Harivenu optionally. So Tan, Matra, or Ta turns into Harigada by 61. Tad Matra. So yeah, Tad Matra or Tad Matra.
Maybe sannyasa. Satnyasa. Maybe becomes
Sannyasa?
sannyasa. Yes.
No,
Not sannyasa.
that's a different thing. Sannyasa.
Different. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so like that. Well, this is also common Sandhi. Then the next sutra is Yadava Matre Hari Kamalam. What is a Yadava?
Yadava, the first two columns,
Kamala,
and also Shasha Sa.
Right. First two columns, Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, plus the Shauris.
Ishauris.
Sharsha and Sa. Yadava Ande. So a Vishnu Dasa becomes a Hari Kamala when any Yadava follows. Okay. So if we have a Vishnu Dasa followed by a Yadava, then that Vishnu Dasa becomes Hari Kamala. Hari Kamala is the first column, Kachata Tapa, right? For example, Bak Krishnasya. Now, actually, this sutra, this 63rd sutra, is kind of a prohibition sutra. Partially, I am saying. Because what happens is, if you notice Sutra 61, what happened in 61 was a Vishnudasa would become Hari Gada, right? And that's the third letter in each Varga. But this sutra is kind of prohibiting or is asking us to turn that letter, the Vishnudasa, into Hari Kamala. So if that letter is already a Hari Kamala, it will remain a Hari Kamala. And if it's something else, then it will become a Hari Kamala. For example, Vak Krishnasya. Ka is a Vishnu Dasa, right? Now this Ka, the second Ka, is this Ka a Yadava?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So on the strength of this sutra, this Ka will not become Harigada. Or we can do also this way, that first of all we can apply Sutra 61 and turn the Ka into Ga, Vishnu Dasa becomes a Harigada. And then we can apply this rule. That can also be done. And then the Ga becomes, now this Ga being a Vishnu Dasa and a Yadava following. So this Vishnu Dasa becomes Hari Kamala, right? Of its own Varga, of course. So this could also be done. So Vak Krishnasya. You got it? Then let's say Tat Te. So here also Vishnu Das is there, a Yadava following. So Ta is already a Hari Kamala, so it will remain a Hari Kamala. Tat Te. Ityadi. This is also common Sandhi. Sakshat. Yes. I'll show you the difference between 61 and 63. Let's say if I have this example, Sakshat, let's say Krishna. Now Sakshat Krishna, the Ta Rama here is a Vishnu Dasa and Ka is a Yadava, right? So that Ta will remain a Ta, a Hari Kamala, so it will be the same. Sakshat Krishna. Now I'm giving an anti example, or if I have like Sakshat, let's say Sakshat, let's say um, let's say Hari. Okay. Now here, this Ha is not a Yadava, right? Ha is a Yadava?
No.
It's not. It's neither Harikamala nor Harigada nor Shauri.
It's Gopala.
Yeah, it's a Gopal. It's not a Yadava. So 63rd is not applied because the Paranimitta, I mean, it's not Yadava, so we'll just apply 61. So this Vishnu Dasa Ta will become the Hari Gada. So it would be Sakshad Hari. You see the difference between 61 and 63rd? So that was Sutra 63rd. Okay. Then the next sutra says Tataha Shashcho Va. Let's do one. Let's do some practice of those. I'm just opening. Sorry for that. This one, this is the sutra Harivenu Harivenurva.
One Yamana.
Which one?
Second.
No,
Third one, Vagniyam.
no.
Most fourth one actually.
It's the fourth one actually. Yeah, because Ga becomes
Ga.
Harivenu. So Ka,
And,
Ka, Ga, Ga, Ga.
Nirama stays as it is.
Yeah, that stays as it is. So the fourth one is the right option. Then
Shanmukha.
Fourth one.
Fourth one again. Shanmukha. Then
Third
Third
one,
one.
Third one, Prabhuji.
yeah, third one. Then
third one,
Third one.
then
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
Fourth one.
then
Fourth one again.
fourth one,
okay.
Second.
Second one, Prabhuji.
Right. The second one. This we did just now.
Fourth.
The fourth one.
Fourth one.
And
Second one,
First.
Prabhuji.
it's the second one. Ta, tha, da, dha, na, right?
Yeah.
Da doesn't become ma, so second one.
Oh, yes.
Now splitting up.
Second one, Prabhuji.
Second one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, second one. Then
Second one again.
second,
it's the second one.
Fourth
Fourth
one.
Fourth one.
The fourth one. Okay.
third one,
Third one.
The third one.
second one,
Second.
Second one.
Second.
third one,
The third one.
third one again,
Third one.
third one,
Third one. Third one again, Prabhuji.
Which one?
Third one.
No.
I mean the second one, yeah.
Third
Second
one
one.
doesn't mean second one.
Second. Second one.
Yeah,
Second
this
one.
is the second one. Fourth one.
fourth one,
Yeah. We did it in 2 minutes. Okay, this one. Let me do this.
Fourth one.
Just a second. Okay, now.
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Yeah, so this is
Shat
this is the first sutra we read today,
Yes.
where Vishnu Dasa becomes Harigada. So the fourth one, right? Ta becomes da.
First,
First one.
The first one.
First one, tadapi. Okay.
First one.
Okay, this sh which you are seeing here,
It's not part of Vishnu Dasa.
assume it to be ta. You know, take it as ta. Then what would be the answer?
Shatanaha. Third one.
No. I'm saying that take this, the sh as ta.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
Third one.
And then it would be the fourth one actually. Ta, tha, da.
Fourth one.
The
Yeah.
fourth one, right? Right. So it would be the fourth one. Okay. Then
Sargadapi. Sargadapi.
Third one. Svargadapi.
Third one.
third one.
Second one.
Second one. Abjalam.
second one.
Second one.
Adyatha.
Yeah, the second one.
Second one again.
Udgama.
The second one.
Third one.
Third one.
Third one. First one. No. No, it is the fourth
Fourth
one.
one. Jagat
The
Guru.
fourth one.
Third
Third
one.
one.
Third one.
Yeah, the third one. Now
Fourth one.
Third one.
Papatenam.
Third
Fourth.
one.
the fourth one, right?
Fourth one.
Second one.
The second one.
First one.
First one. First one. First one. Okay. So, second one.
Yeah, the second
Second
one.
one. First one.
First one. Go pro.
Third.
The third one.
Third one.
Second.
Second one.
Second one.
Yeah, the second.
Samya.
First one.
First.
Samya.
No, not the first one.
Then the fourth one.
Yes, the fourth.
First one.
First.
The first one. Yeah, great. So, yeah. That was some practice. Okay, so we'll resume this 64 tomorrow. And also we'll do the homework. We'll go through the homework, the Sarveshwar Sandhi's homework tomorrow as well. Anything? Any question or anything? Okay, so we'll see you all tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Samjit, Anuj, Pranam.
See you tomorrow.
Hare Krishna.